Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and I just received my Felicity Jane subscription kit, and I know that the entire creative team for Felicity Jane has done a fantastic job of unboxing the kit, but I thought that I would show you what it looks like when I receive my kit every month. This is the Krystal kit, and I'm super excited to unbox it and start working with it. So I will definitely list Felicity Jane down below. I believe if you start a subscription, it's actually for the next month. So if you start a subscription now, it would be for February, but I think some of these elements are probably still available in the shop if you want to check those out. All right, let's go. Okay, one of the reasons I love Felicity Jane is that it really is like unwrapping a present each month. The new kit comes wrapped beautifully, packaged beautifully. These are fantastic storage boxes. So if you are a Felicity Jane subscriber, these are wonderful for storing all kinds of supplies in. But you get to unwrap your kit each month. You have all of this fun tissue pieces in here. It's just a really fun kit. I'm going to empty this out and then show you all the elements. Okay, like I said, this is the Krystal kit, and every month the Felicity Jane kits have a female's name, and they are just beautiful. They all kind of have characteristics that fit within the whole kit. So she is beautiful, kind of her long flowing hair. She's got her winter jacket and her beanie on. Absolutely gorgeous. I love that her cheeks are rosy. So sweet. Now, the elements that come in the kit, some of them are the same every month, and some of them change as the months go by. So you have some standard elements like the paper and the stamp sets and the alpha that are the same as far as what you get. And then there are some different pieces that kind of change up and keep it fresh, which I really, really love. So let's start with the journaling cards. You always get a pack of 3x4 journaling cards, and they kind of set the stage for the kit. This is a beautiful kit. It's kind of like hinting towards spring because there's some gorgeous florals. Here you have your little home with the florals in the front. The backs of the cards are always dot grid or lined grid, so they're very neutral. Here you have a pink dot grid. Then this black and white stripe title card. All right, you have pink and white stripes. This beautiful kind of seafoam green, a greenish gray, I guess. And it has the grid pattern on it, stripes, gorgeous florals, absolutely beautiful. Today's top 3, green gingham, kind of a leopard print, and then the look of a library card. So those are the cards that come in the kit. Even if you don't do Project Life or pocket journaling, I use these cards in different ways as tip-ins in my Bible journaling, as just fun elements on a page. Sometimes I cut out pieces. I use them to layer a lot. So there are ways to use the cards. And of course, you can always use the girl card from that month. She is so cute. Another element that you get every month would be an alpha. Now the alphas change, they change in color and texture and things like that. This month we have a fun puffy alpha, and it's a really great kind of just a standard black alpha. You'll be able to use this on all the things. I love the Felicity Jane puffy alphas because they have a really soft texture to them. I think they are just beautiful. So excited for that. Every month in the subscription kit, you also get a stamp set, and I love the stamp sets. They come packaged in a really great quality package. You could certainly leave your stamp set in this container and it would hold up over time, but they just have some really nice just quality stamps. So it says home, it has a definition, a place of belonging. This made me smile today, the simple stuff, conversation, growing together, today's self-care. I love that. On the menu, this says you have the Krystal right here. You have these little houses. I love that. This is the life and love. And then this one says around the house. And then you have some fun little floral elements, these teeny tiny little stamps. I have started a new habit of morning journaling, doing creative journaling, and these will be absolutely perfect for in that journal. I love, love, love it. So that is the Krystal stamp set. And then one of my favorite elements every month are the die cut shapes. I go back and buy more die cut shapes when they go on sale. I absolutely love them. They are a really thick cardstock, which is something that I really appreciate, really good quality. And I just really like them. So you have, this is Krystal, of course, with her boots and her torn jeans. I think she's adorable. Big dreams. Look at those florals. They are beautiful. They're painted, but they definitely they're so realistic. Hard work, one of a kind. Home is my happy place. I feel like we are all there right now. Showing up for myself today so I can show up better for you tomorrow. I love that. You have some fun labels in here. I like these little houses. They had some houses on sale in the Target dollar spot that were like wooden houses over the month of December. And I feel like these match those absolutely perfectly. So florals, a fun tag, finding joy in my journey. So great for the new year. This floral vase, more tags, and then some tiny elements. You have another house. Here's a super cute whipped cream drink. The little snowflakes, a few little heart pieces, and one last little greenery stem. So you get a pretty good amount. Like I said, really great quality on the paper pieces. And I just love the soft color palette this month. Okay, and then before I open the papers and show you what those are, these are some of the elements that change up each month. They're a little bit different. So this month we got these wood veneer pieces. You have a couple of the homes, some hearts, and then flowers. The flowers have a little hole cut out, so you could definitely string through them. I kind of wish they didn't have a hole cut out because I feel like there's pressure to fill the hole, if that makes sense. But it'll be interesting to try to use these. I don't use wood veneer that much in my crafting, so it'll be a challenge for me to kind of work these in. Then you have some chipboard pieces. And again, chipboard is not something I use a whole lot because it has a lot of dimension and doesn't really fit in a lot of my paper crafting. But you have This Is Me, these little color swatches, everyday life, don't overthink it, something we all probably need. It's fine, that's a phrase we've all used this year. A little banner, little bird, a floral, and a heart. So just a handful of those chipboard pieces. You know, I'll see how those go. Not my favorite. The dimensional stuff is not my favorite from Felicity Jane, but I do still love getting the whole subscription kit. And sometimes it pushes you out of your comfort zone when you get these elements that you maybe wouldn't normally opt for. You have them, they're in your craft room. It's kind of like a use it or lose it deal. So you might be more willing to give it a try if it's already in your possession. And then there are some very sweet charms. These would be so cute to add to your planner, to pages as you're working on them. I think they're super cute. I will probably be turning them into either planner charms or attaching them to a paper clip and using them in my Bible to mark Bible pages. I think they are absolutely so cute. I really like this one that says home, and then the florals, of course. And then something that I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of are these sticky notes. So you have 2 sets of sticky notes. They're actually on a clear page that is cut for an A5 or punched out for an A5 ring notebook, but I will probably take mine off this sheet and just have them by my desk. Sticky notes always come in really handy, and they're really helpful in my pre-planning. So those are super cute. And then you have the papers for the month, which are my favorite reason for subscribing to Felicity Jane. So let me open up this paper pack and show you what we got. Okay, Felicity Jane papers are absolutely beautiful. I love the patterns. I love the quality of the paper. I just love everything about the Felicity Jane paper. So here are the papers from the Krystal paper pack. You have this gorgeous floral that will be really hard to not hoard. And then spotty dots here on the back. So beautiful. You have a green with white dots, very simple, very neutral, and then white with the black pluses on the back. Love the branding strip, super cute. The pink gingham, absolutely gorgeous and soft. And then a really neutral one on the back. These are tiny little dots that are in these like diagonal lines. It's probably hard to see, but super cute, very neutral, great for layering. You have this mustard color with the lines, and then the wood grain on the back. I always love wood grain. And then look at this cute branding strip with the houses. I love, love, love wood grains. This is very neutral this month, very neutral. Pink stripes, and then a grid on the back. Again, another cute branding strip. Yay, another floral. Absolutely beautiful. And then here on the back, white with the black hearts. So cute. And then some solids, so you get 2 tones of pink and 2 tones of green. So those are the papers this month. Like I said, a wonderful quality. You know, it's not a ton of paper, but it's certainly more than I go through in a month. And so it's more than enough for me. And I love the patterns. And a lot of the Felicity Jane papers mix and match through different months because there's definitely an aesthetic, a feel that comes with the Felicity Jane kits. And so anything that I don't use, I'm really easily able to use in next month's kit or with some other elements from the past. Thank you so much for joining me for this really quick unboxing. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. Like I said earlier, I will definitely link this down below so you can check it out, see if it's still in the shop. Otherwise, I hope you have a fantastic day. As always, keep it creative.